This here is a quick video to show you how to easily make up visuals. That you could use these visuals for things like cards to put on a calendar, or creating routines for your children, or cutting activities. And this is all using free tools. So I'm using Google Docs to create it. I can then print it out. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you how to create a document like this. First of all, you want to start with a blank Google Doc, and you want to have your images ready. Now, I like to make the images square so that they fit nicely into the table in the Google document, but they can actually be any size. You can drag an image of any size across. So I'll open up my first image here, and I'm just going to make a copy of it. I'll duplicate it and call it cropped one. And I'm now going to select the square for the bit that I want. Now, if you hold your shift key down, it actually forces it to be a square, so it makes it a bit easier. Now I'll crop it and save that. And now I'll do the other one. Make a duplicate again. Okay, so now I've got two cropped images ready to put into my Google document, and I can make this any size that I want, and I can do as many as I want. So the first thing I'm going to do is insert a table and decide how many columns I want it to be, and this is going to affect the width of the picture. So if you wanted bigger ones, then you'd have less columns, or you could make the page size of the Google Doc bigger. I normally go about 4 columns for cards to put on a calendar. And so all I have to do is drag the pictures that I want in the document from the Finder window over to my Google Doc window. And the important thing to remember here is that you're using Google Chrome to have the Google Doc open, so that it allows this drag and drop feature. And I can pull as many as I want across. And you can also copy and paste images from one to the other. So let's say I wanted to copy this. Now that it's in the document, I can paste it wherever. You can also copy across images that are of a different size, and it will auto resize it to the size of your table columns. So this is really good for making up cutting activities and such. You can, on the right side here, you could have another Google Chrome window open that had images if you wanted to do, put all different images together for some cutting activities. You can drag any image across from Google Images into here, and that also works. I might just sample that now. And you just bring it over. Make sure you can see both windows. And I always click the thumbnail that I want, because a bigger image comes up on the right side. You just drag it across. And it's going to put it into the document. There we go. And you can add labels to this. And then you can style that however you like. You could have a label at the top. So it's just a nice, quick and easy way to create your own visuals with free tools. Have fun.